In this video, we're going to look at the CountIfs function. The CountIfs function is similar to the normal CountIf function, except you can count cells that meet multiple criteria. So only if all of the criteria are met, then it will be counted. So we're going to look here first at the number of female grade 12s in this list. So we're going to go in here and have equals CountIfs. And you can see it says criteria range 1 and then criteria 1, and you can keep going as much as you want. So we want the range to be the gender first. And if we were copying it down, we could make it an absolute reference, but in this case, it's just going to be a single formula. So I won't do that. The criteria now, we want to know the female, so I'll put my criteria here for convenience. You could also just manually type the F in inverted commas, but that makes it a bit harder to change later. Our second criteria range would be the grade, and we want to know the grade 12s, so I've put it over here, and that's all the criteria I want for this. So I'm going to press enter, and we can see that there's two female participants that were in grade 12. Now we can repeat the same function for the male grade 12 participants. So equals CountIfs. We could do it the other way around as well. First the grade, we want to know grade 12s, then the gender, and then our criteria, of course, is male. And it should give us how many there are. 4. We can just do a quick check. There's 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we can count the number of grade 11s who scored above 6,500. So again, equals CountIfs. And we want to know whether they're in grade 11. And then our second criteria is what their score was. And because it's greater than, we have to put it in inverted commas again, as if it was text. And we say greater than 6,500. Close the quotes and close the brackets. And there were 3 such students. We can count 1, 2, 3. And finally, here's one with 3 criteria. Female students who are in grade 11 who scored above 7,000. So again, equal CountIfs. The first range, let's do it in this order. It's the gender. Criteria is F for female, then their grade is 11, and finally their score must be greater than 7,000. Yeah, and there was only one student who met that criteria. There she is, but it would work for any number. So if we changed one of these other grade 11s to female, it will update it to be a grade 11 who's female that scored more than 7,000. Okay.